9 Proven Ways to Make Money Online. Are you looking for proven ways that allow you to earn or make money online effortlessly? Have you ever been frustrated being out of cash and no one actually coming to your aid? Yes, right? Don't worry. I totally know that feeling. Being broke is very annoying, especially when there are needs or other little things you need to take care. In today's write-up, I want to reveal different ways to make money online, especially if you are looking to earn passive income online. These proven methods are perfect for those looking to start an online business, those looking to work from home, those looking to make money passively online, and those looking to make it a full-time job. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right in. 1. Affiliate marketing. You can choose to sell other people's products online. You can start to market and sell other people's products online and you get a percentage of what you sell. It is a very big niche and you will need to read and learn a lot, but you will make awesome income in this as hard as you work. People who are into affiliate marketing makes really cool money online. Over $500 monthly. If you are enthusiastic about starting affiliate marketing, you can check out our digital marketing course that shows you everything about this. Some of the top sites you can work on is ClickBank, Jumia, AliExpress, Gearbest, Congo, Amazon affiliate program and more. See more affiliate programs in Nigeria. There are many ways to work on this. You can start work without paying anything and you can start by making ads and sell traffic, but the important thing is to keep learn and always check all the new ways and the updates. 2. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube account and make videos about your passion, making money through Google AdSense. After you've created several videos, it's time to join the YouTube Partner Program. All you need to do is enable your channel for monetization, and you'll receive your share of the income from video advertising on YouTube. Just as the YouTube stars do, you'll get paid for every 1,000 views on your videos. 3. Logo design. Learn how to make trendy logos and do freelance work on many sites. It is all free, you don't have to invest in anything. All you need is time, the skill and persistence. Before you start, you just need to master a few tools: Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, etc. If you don't know where to learn how to start making logos, you can find helpful YouTube videos or search for courses on Udemy, etc. You can also get inspiration from sites, Behance.net, Dribbble, Pinterest, etc. Now that you've mastered logo design, you can go ahead to start freelancing sites such as Upwork, 99 Designs, Freelancers, etc. 4. Instagram marketing. Create an Instagram account and start making money online. Growing an Instagram account is the hardest part, but traffic is the lifeline of any online success. Growing an account doesn't need to be hard, you just need to be seen. Start with deciding on a niche. Comedy, fitness and food are hot on Instagram. Think of a catchy simple name. Signing up. Upload about 5+ niche-related pictures every day. Start creating awareness by following others. Comment and like same niche posts to be noticed. Once you are done growing your account followers, start connecting with brands. Use your platform to market other people's product and services. Like a micro-influencer thingy. Remember to offer a free gift and collect emails and build your email marketing list for more marketing. 5. Write for blogs. Write blog posts for websites and get paid to do so. So, if you are a freelance writer who wants to make money writing but is tired of low-paying writing gigs, then here is a collection of websites that are paying some good money for your articles and blog posts. In other words, you get paid when you contribute content to the following websites and blogs: www.totans.net, www.stretcher.com, www.wowomnonwriting.com, matadornetwork.com, www.screammommy.com, fundsforwriters.com, alistapart.com, www.instantshift.com, listverse.com, reverbpress.com, www.glacier.com. writersweekly.com. 6. Email marketing. Build up an email list and sell courses and ebooks based on that topic. You can easily build an email list by offering a free book or course from your own products and let the user download it from their email. Or using many tools online to build this list like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, others. Now that you have a list provided them with value, it's time to think about the ways you can make money with your newsletter. Are you new to email marketing? Why not check out our digital marketing course page? Register to book your chance to learn email marketing from one of the best digital marketing institutes in Nigeria. The most important thing to remember when exploring ways to monetize your email list is to make it relevant to your audience. 7. Language help. If you know more than one language, you can help others by : Why not build an online course and sell it on Udemy.com or any other sites which sell courses? Or perhaps, work as freelancer translator on Upwork.com, freelancer.com. 8. Website development. Learn how to develop websites. Start by learning HTML and CSS, and then you can go with how to build WordPress sites. You will find many online tutorials for free. Yes, for free, just like this one I published some times ago. All you have to do to be patient and learn how to do it step by step and work hard on it, and you will have it. Once you learn, you can make money through the freelancing websites or even work with big companies from home. And you can build complete websites and sell it on Envato Market. 9. Create niche websites featuring Google AdSense ads. Creating popular niche sites can grab visitors looking for specialized information, and adding Google AdSense advertising links can be a great way to monetize the site. You will need small investment, but all you need is high traffic to make enough income from your website. I've covered this topic in detail in one of my last blog article. See article below.